Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times in the past, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of these lines down here. Yes, these levels still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, is $6.30. Now, when I say ideal, I just mean what would make the chart look the best going forward, and that would definitely be if the price can stay above that area. But if the price were to fall below there, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, if the price could stay up above 630, that would be a big sign of power going forward. From the grand scheme of things, it's all about that purple line now, which is the 50-period moving average. It's finally leveled off. I mean, for quite a while, it was just basically going straight down, but it's leveled off, and if the price continues to stay above it, not only will it continue to go sideways, but it'll eventually curl itself back upwards. And at that point, that's when it becomes a very solid way to judge the health of the overall move. This right here being defined as the move, meaning as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. So again, yeah, staying above 630 would be great, but as long as the price can stay above that purple line and then cause the purple line to start to, slope upwards, that is definitely a good sign in the bulls direction. What about levels of resistance? Initial level, nothing fancy other than where the party stopped today on several occasions, and that was right up there at basically $6.60. If the price can push up through $6.60, then the next key overarching level of resistance is going to be right up there at give or take around $6.80. But all in all, as of right now, the thing that matters the most is exactly what's been going on, and that is this right here. So as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that is the name of the game. So one more day left this week. We'll see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.